Hey, what's up? It's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Keela's Marketing, where I review top IT and cloud-based products. I also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you're interested in making money online, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Me and you, yes, baby, we are on the road to success. Today I am presenting you with Clone My Campaign, created by Venkata. He has created this amazing software and course put together filled with free templates, email swipes, and more to help you generate up to $500 a day. Just using learning, well, first learning and implementing these strategies, tips, and tricks and underground technique that he has created and gathered for his years of experience with online marketing. If you are interested in making money online, make sure you stay to the end of this video because I'll be going in the inside of the members area. I'll be showing you everything that you need to know when it comes down to Clone My Campaign. And I'll be also giving away 60 plus free bonuses for you to just help you scale your online business to success. So if you're interested in making $500 plus a day, baby, make sure you stay with me because I'm about to get into this review. See you in the inside. So we are now on the sales page of Clone My Campaign. I'm just gonna go right into their bonuses and then I'm gonna hop into the members area. All right. So I'm just gonna show you their bonuses. All right. So 15K in 7 days with Done For You Kit, swipes, and exact products and offers in the same niches. That made us 15,000 in 7 days. You can use these in your own stores in just a couple of clicks. Okay, then you have 300 per day on Accelerator. So what you have with Clone My Campaign is great by itself, but more is better. Don't you agree? It's always good to have an additional stream of income instead of relying on one. That's why we are including a bonus that shows you how we added an extra income stream of $300 per day to our business. The best part is you don't need any prior experience, zero tech skills is required, no hefty investment needed. It only takes 15 minutes to implement and the income is on autopilot. All right, so you have free traffic machine. In order to make a profitable online, to make a profits with 1 minute money, you will need visitors to come to your online stores. And although there is built-in traffic included, which is working for us, what if we can get more traffic? Is that something you'll be interested in? If so, you're in luck. We're going to give you a free bonus that reveals how we get free viral traffic from a little known source. And here's what you'll get. Well, here's what you're going to love. You don't need to spend any penny to get the traffic. These visitors are super targeted and love to buy. These traffics is viral. The traffic is viral and spreads like a virus. That's funny. It multiplies by itself. And then you have online stores where profitable niches. All right, guys. If you want to get more into these, you can just totally click on my link below. All right, guys. I'm not gonna read through none of these no more. So I'm just gonna read the titles. So then you have 3K in 24 hours blueprint, guys. If you want to go over 3K per day in 24 hours in online stores where in profitable niches, you can totally hit my link in my description and in my bio. All right, we about to be in the inside of the members area. Well, we in there now, so we're in the inside. So this is like the dashboard. You have everything that you need to know on your left hand side. So you have the VIP training, the activate, deliver, PLR products. You have the upgrade if you would like to upgrade, and then you have the support. So these are the bonuses that I just went over in brief description. And like I said, if you want to go over the last two, you totally can. All you have to do when you come in the inside is download these bonuses, okay? And then you have your training from 1 to 12, and you can view all of them right here with this arrow. Just come over here and you'll see all of these videos from 1 to 12. These videos are not that long, so that's awesome. Super duper straightforward, and it's people already hopping on it. So you have people with four. Well, you have people already. So you got 442 views already on here, guys. Everybody is already in the game. So if you want to hop in this game, make up to $500 a day, you totally can. Just hit that link in my description and get your copy of Clone My Campaign. So I just hit activate if you didn't see where my arrow went, and I was just loading. So right here, these are done for you campaigns. So all you have to do is like activate it. That's all you have to do is literally activate. You see one already activated. These are done for you campaigns. Everybody has a different name, so it's gonna be easy for you to know which one you are dealing with, guys. So all you have to, like I said, all you have to do is freaking activate them. It's super duper straightforward. Come over here, click those buttons, and it will guide you to where you have to be. So right here, we're gonna go to the liver. And what's going on? So did I just get logged out or something? I guess I did. So I got logged out. So we're gonna go back to deliver. Alright, so this is super duper easy. So all you gotta do, you gotta hit this button right here. Hit up Dynasty. And that was just the those done for you templates. All you gotta do, you gotta this is like how you get emails. This is how you're gonna build your email list, okay? These are all done for you templates. All you gotta do is freaking edit it the way you want to, and then just upload it. That's it. That's all you gotta do, and it's multiple. Okay, then you have your PLR products. And all of these products, these are already proven products these are proven to convert. So guys, all of these you can use to give out, or you literally can freaking like sell these. You can give these out for free, or you can sell them, or you can like split them up in half and make more than one book. You literally can. You can do a lot with these products. These are all of yours, guys. So go crazy, go nuts, go wild. All right. And then you have upgrade if you want to, and then your support is right here. And that is literally this is Clone My Campaign, guys. I'm about to dive right into my bonuses, so I won't keep you long. Let's go right into it. Oh yes, guys, and don't forget, you already know this is a limited time offer. My bonuses will not be up for long, so if you come over to my bonus page and you see all of these numbers are at 0, you can't get it. So too late, buddy. Don't forget, or did I tell you guys if you go on the sales page that you could get like $5 off? Yes, you get $5 off, so it will not be 17, it will be 12. But let's go to my bonuses. So bonus number 1, this is stuff. Reach people inboxes using stuff, guys. I don't know about you, but people ain't really people replying to these emails like I thought they would. But people be on social media more than they be checking their emails, baby. So this is amazing. This is from Jonah Armstrong, one of the top affiliates in the game, my mentor. Put me on to game, I'm about to put you on. What's up? Love is love. And here's another bonus tutorial. This is boost your SEOs, baby. So your search engine optimization. And then you have bonus number 3, ClickBank. Learn how to master ClickBank. So another bonus tutorial, step-by-step tutorial from Jonah Armstrong, all right? And we have a bonus number 4 from your girl. This is my 60 plus different softwares, underground techniques. Learn how to create a bigger profit with proper training by Jonah Armstrong and Brendan Mace and more of the top vendors and affiliates in the game right now, including myself. And then we have bonus number 5. These are all the vendor bonuses in which I briefly went over on the sales page. Guys, if you want to know more about the last 2 bonuses, you totally can. Just hit my link in my comments or in my description and check it out. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can hit me up on my Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok to get more helpful tips and tricks on how to make money online. And don't forget, if you want to watch this demo and see Clone My Campaign in action. It's only for, well, about 5 minutes long, guys. It's super short, super simple. If you don't got that much time, go over to settings and you can bump up this. Oh, I think you can't bump up the speed. I think you can. Try to bump up the speed, guys. I don't know. But yes, guys, don't forget that this product has already been proven to made up to $191,000 already. Just in a few clicks. This is a done for you course, done for you template software, everything included that you can do just in a few clicks after you master that. You see those 12 videos that I had in the beginning? Yes, you have to master that. So you gotta know what you're doing first. So then it will be super duper easy as just a few clicks and boom, you got income instantly. Then you are going to learn how to optimize your Warrior Plus page, JVZoo, and ClickBank with no hassle. You don't even have to have past experience, so everything is dope. And guys, if you fail, you will be getting paid $250. This is backed by a 180 days. So it's not 30, guys. It's not 30. I gotta change that. It's backed by 180 days. So guys, if you want to know everything that he's knows, you will have to go through these OTOs. So I suggest you hit up the first offer and get the best of both worlds. I said best of both worlds. Tongue twisted. But whatever, guys. We all mess up. We all make mistakes. But the main thing is keep on going. If you want to learn a little bit more, just come over to a little bit more about Clone My Campaign. Just come over to my bonus page and read it, guys. This is it for the review. Hopefully, I went over everything that you will need to know when it comes down to you learning more about Clone My Campaign, guys. If you feel like this product is for you, totally can link me up, hit me up in my descriptions, okay? Link up, hit up your bank account with these new tactics and techniques, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. We gotta learn something new to get different results. I'm out.